Tired of project deadlines slipping through the cracks and wondering where your team's time actually goes? Let's dive into how Clockify can transform that chaos into clarity by tracking your employees' daily activities. First, make sure your team is set up with individual Clockify accounts and assigned to the relevant projects. Each employee will start by logging their activities within the timesheet view. To add a new entry, click the plus Add Time Entry button. Here, they'll select the project they're working on, then the specific task, and provide a clear description of the activity performed. Encourage detailed descriptions. The more specific, the better the insights later on. They can either manually enter the start and end times, or use the built-in timer for real-time tracking for work that's billable to clients. Be sure to toggle the billable option to on. Now for the magic, the reports. Navigate to the Reports tab to see a comprehensive overview of how time is being spent. You can filter by date range, project, employee, and even specific tasks. Clockify offers various report types, including summary, detailed, and visual reports. Use these to identify time sinks, bottlenecks, and high-performing team members. You can also export these reports in various formats like CSV or PDF for further analysis or sharing with stakeholders. By consistently tracking employee activities in Clockify, you'll gain valuable insights to optimize resource allocation, improve project management, and ultimately boost your team's performance. Start tracking today and watch your productivity soar.